Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own clay. I love this because it's super fluffy and really fun to do, so let's get on with the video. For this craft you will be needing 2 parts flour, 1 part salt or baking soda, I'm using salt, 1 part water, a bowl, spoon, and container. First, add in your flour and your salt. You're going to also want to add a little bit of oil and mix. Pour in your water and keep on mixing. Next, we're going to add in a little bit of flour, and you want to add a little bit at a time. Once your dough crumbles, you can start kneading it. Sprinkle a little bit of flour onto the table and knead your clay again. All done! We're going to wrap the clay around plastic wrap. And place it inside of a container. We're going to store it inside of a refrigerator. When you want to use your clay, just take it out of the refrigerator and let the clay sit for about 5 minutes to warm up. Then you're ready to use. I also made a Google Doc for the recipe printout, so if you want that, check it in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!